Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to show or hide widgets labels in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have some widgets on my home screen. So by default we don't have any labels on the respective widgets. So in order to show the widgets labels present in my home screen, what you need to do is just open the settings and just scroll down below. Now you will see here one option, home screen. Just click on it. Now here you will see one option, widget labels. So by default this option will be turned off, so just enable it. Now you can minimize it. Voila, now you can see here we have labels on every widgets present on our home screen. So you can see here all the widgets are showing with the labels. So if you want to hide it again, just move back to the same option and just disable it, then it will hide the labels of all the widgets present in the home screen. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily show or hide widgets labels in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.